Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to delete Reels video as draft on Instagram. If you decide that you are not going to upload an Instagram Reels video that you saved as a draft, you may easily remove it. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can do it. Go to your Instagram profile page, click on the Reels tab that is under the story highlights. Find the drafts folder and hit to open it. After that, simply tap Select in the top right corner of the screen. Now choose the video draft that you would like to delete. Press on Discard at the bottom. Confirm by hitting Discard. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to delete Reels video as draft on Instagram. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.